Today's video, we're going to cover installing shims to an AC roof opening. If there is water pooling around the AC, which can be inherent to the design on flat roofs, we're going to show you a quick way to eliminate that issue. As you can see in this photo, there's a gap or some sagging around the AC box opening, causing water to pool. Now, this isn't a warrantable issue unless the water is leaking in. And this is most likely going to be seen on some of our older products, but over the years, we have redesigned the roof trusses during our continuous improvement. Here is the area of concern. What we get most is dealers wanting to fully remove the membrane and replacing the decking, etc. That would not really fix the issue and would be an extreme repair when we can just add some shims around the AC box. So the first step is to remove the AC and set it in a secure location. Next, we start by removing the staples in the membrane. When the staples are removed, pull back the membrane enough to remove the screws. There'll be one or two on each side, so you have a total of 4 or 8. And once we can gain access, once the screws are pulled, we can gain access. We're going to put a 5/8 shim between the decking and the AC surround box. We didn't cut a 45 on these shims, however, to make it a little easier to start, something you could do, or put a 45 degree wedge, kind of create like a gap while the shims are being put into place. You can tell these fit very tight, and it'll allow the water not to pool around the AC once it's fully back and installed. Once all the shims are in place and you can just reinstall the AC, make sure you use new gaskets every time you pull the AC. We want to make sure that we're putting new gaskets down. Here's a interior photo of a unit where the dealer pulled the ceiling panel down for the same repair. This, however, adds additional unneeded time for the repair. The only time we would need to pull down any ceiling panels is if for some reason there needs to be some more sloping, and we can add a shim. In this photo, we have some arrows pointing to where we could add those. Again, we haven't seen one to this extreme, but I guess there is a possibility. And again, just want to give you guys a overview of how to install the shims from the top so that we're not pulling off the whole membrane. We're not pulling down the ceiling panels. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.